Hello, good evening. My name is Karthikeyan. We are coming from Daimler Commercial Vehicle Manufacturing Indonesia. So we had our middle management year-end leadership training in 2021 December KPA consultancy. I would say that this is one of the best training myself and for the team to have it. And the trainer, Mr. Nicholas, was provided or incited us with a lot of leadership aspiration talks, and the material whatever the company provided was very useful, and I would say that this is one of the best training until now we had it, and we believe that this will add more value to our organization also as an individual. Thank you so much KPI for organizing a very good training and a workshop for all of us. I wish you all the best.
I'm Praveen Babu. I work with PT Mercedes-Benz Indonesia. So the session with KPA for emotional intelligence is very interesting and very resourceful for me. It helped me to balance my emotion quotient both in my professional life and my personal life. Thank you KPA for the chances and opportunity.
From Daimler Indonesia. I'm happy to be a part of this training, and I would like to congratulate KPI and Nicholas to put together a very relevant and engaging training. The training is quite balanced in the content. It provides understanding of leadership topics, provides space for self-reflection and calls for action. Training is also, the day is well distributed in classroom learning, individual and group activities, which makes it quite participative and interesting. Thank you once again.